From DAV Public School Dumra, Shruti Nidhi of class 10th presents you a multimedia presentation on topic 1857 Mutiny has been marked as first war of Indian independence. The life story of Veer Kunwar Singh, a revolutionary of Bihar, under Veer Gatha 4.0 program launched by Defence Ministry and Education Ministry. November 1777, a warrior was born in the house of Raja Sahab Jada Singh and Pancharatna Devi in Jagdishpur of Bihar. He belonged to the Ujjainiya dynasty which ruled Jagdishpur region. Veer Kunwar Singh was the chieftain of Jagdishpur. He was ascended to throne in 1826 following the death of his father Raja Sahab Jada Singh. His kingdom included 2 parganas and several talukas in Sahabad district. 1857, period of revolution. Indian rebellions of 1857 began as the mutiny of sepoys on 10th May when Mangal Pandey, a young sepoy, was hanged on 8th April 1857 for killing 2 British officers. From the event, the spark of revolution flared up in different parts of the country and many leaders participated in it. For this, there is a poem that मस्ती की थी छिड़ी रागनी, आज़ादी का गाना था, भारत के कोने कोने में होगा यह बताना था. उधर खड़ी थी लक्ष्मीबाई और पेशवा नाना था, इधर बिहारी वीर बांकुरा खड़ा हुआ मस्ताना था. 80 वर्षों की हड्डी में जागा जोश पुराना था, सब कहते हैं कुंवर सिंह भी बड़ा वीर मर्दाना था. वीर कुंवर सिंह was 80 years old and not going well when he was called upon to take arms. He was a tough opponent who harried British forces for nearly a year. He was expert in the art of guerrilla warfare. On 25 July, rebellions erupted in the garrisons of Danapur and moved towards Ara, a town with considerable British presence, in revolt, and the command was assumed by Kunwar Singh. 2 days later, his force occupied Ara, the district headquarters. वीर कुंवर वीर बांकुरा की अद्भुत सुनी कहानी थी. 80 साल की हड्डी में फिर से जगी जवानी थी. Mr. Boyle, a British engineer, had already prepared his defense for such attacks. All European residents took refuge at his house when rebels approached Ara. Soon the siege began and the army led by Kunwar Singh attacked them. On July 29, 1857, 415 troops were sent from Danapur to rescue the besieged British men in Ara. This army led by Captain Dunbar that approached Ara by crossing the river Son was ambushed by fighters led by Kunwar Singh before reaching their destination. They were severely defeated and driven back. Kunwar Singh effectively deployed his fighters in small groups. By the end of July, Major Vincent Iyer marched toward Ara. On 2nd August, some 6 miles short of Ara, the Major and his troops were ambushed by rebels. There was an intense fight between the two sides, but Kunwar Singh, however, was defeated and had to leave his central village. The battle was known as Battle of Bibiganj. On 26 August 1857, Kunwar Singh proceeded forward with thousands of his followers via Rohtas. While going to Mirzapur, they captured GT Road. On 21 November, he reached Kanpur with the Revolutionary Army and his supporters. After participating in the Battle of Kanpur, he reached Lucknow in December, where the King of Oudh honored him and issued a farman awarding him the area comprising Azamgarh district. Kunwar Singh's war strategy surprised everyone. On 22nd March, Kunwar Singh killed a millman in Natrolia, 25 km away from Azamgarh. Kunwar Singh and his troops were moving towards Jagdishpur by crossing river Ganga, where the army of Brigadier Douglas began to shoot at their boat. One of the bullets shattered his left wrist. He felt that his hand had become useless and there was a risk of infection. He drew his sword, said, "Lo Ganga Mai, tur ihe iksha bata," and cut his hand and offered it to Ma Gange. On 23rd April, he fought his last battle near Jagdishpur and had victory over the forces led by Captain Le Grande. Battle ended when he brought down the British flag from Jagdishpur fort and hoisted his flag. He returned to his palace on 23rd April and due to lots of injuries, he died on 26th April 1858. British historian Holmes had written, if he had been younger, perhaps the British would have had to leave India in 1857 itself. Motivation from Veer Kunwar Singh. The life story of Veer Kunwar Singh motivates me to have courage and faith in myself. He is an inspiration for all those people who are above the age of 59 and think themselves as liability. He teaches us that at any stage of life we should be ready to serve our motherland. His war strategy gives us lesson to fight with our problems. I learnt many moral values from him such as kindness, bravery and helping nature as he granted land for building a school. His dedication for releasing motherland after so much injuries motivates me to serve my motherland till my last breath.
आखिरी गुजारिश, मेरी आखिरी ख्वाहिश, मेरी मौत का मातम न करना। मैंने खुद ये शहादत चाही है।
मैं सरहदों से बोल के आया था, एक बेटा जाएगा तो दूसरा आएगा।